Alright, we have 3¼ pounds of Tannerite ready to go. We just got finished mixing it up. We have our guns and everything ready. We're going to go back about 200 yards and we're going to shoot this. It's going to be locked inside of our dishwasher, our old dishwasher. This dishwasher served us very faithfully for almost 15 years. Well, that faith is going to be ended now. And we don't need that in there. And what I'm going to do is put the Tannerite right there and close this up. And we're going to mark it right where the Tannerite is. And we're going to shoot, go through the door into the Tannerite. This thing's going to be locked, and we're hoping for one hell of a boom. Alright, what we have here is an old boat that Grandpa Bob thought that would be really good to fix up. Well, it's not going to. 195 yards downrange here is the old refrigerator, dishwasher that we're going to attempt to blow up. I'm going to sit here. Everybody got ears in? Alright, going hot. Okay, I gotta find out where I'm hitting. Alright, apparently, since I don't have Drew here to give me my windage, all my shots are about 6 to 8 inches off to the right. And since the wind is coming left to right at about 10 miles an hour, that really would pull the shot. So I'm going to aim off to the left, and hopefully we'll get the same. We'll get it the first shot here. Okay, send it.
Send it. Holy crap.
And that's how we get rid of appliances in redneck territory called Wisconsin.